Well, there is a shadow of a COVID wonder drug, Molnupiravir, after AICMR caused doubts on its safety. But the pill sells like hotcakes amid COVID surge across the country. Here's more.
Merck's Molnupiravir was meant to be a wonder drug for COVID-19. After a green light by drug regulator, it is now available at several pharmacies across the country.
Different companies are making Molnupiravir and selling them at different cost price. There are some that are selling it for 2,000 rupees. This manufacturer currently is selling these 200 mg tablets for 690 rupees. So there are differences in prices also, but when you go to pharmacies, you will have to show a doctor's prescription to buy these tablets, and without the prescription of a medical specialist, the pharmacy will not allow you to buy these tablets.
And the demand for the pill has been surging.
इसकी सेल काफी बढ़ चुकी है। हमारे पास ही लगभग 3 से 4 दिन में 50 से 60 पेशेंट आके लेके जा चुके हैं मोलनुपिराविर, और ये मार्केट में अब इजीली अवेलेबल है और बहुत सारी कंपनियों का लॉन्च हो चुका है।
ऑन प्रिस्क्रिप्शन ऑन डिमांड अवेलेबल है, उसमें कोई शॉर्टेज वगैरह ऐसी कुछ भी नहीं है।
However, the ICMR has still not included this antiviral pill in the National Clinical Treatment Protocol. ICMR DG Dr. Balram Bhargava's statement has raised concerns over this drug consumption in India. He said the drug is not safe.
We have to remember that this drug has major safety concerns. It can cause teratogenicity and what you have mentioned, mutagenicity, and it also can cause cartilage damage and can also be damaging to muscles also. Child born could be problematic with teratogenic influences.
The ICMR DG said the drug was only approved based on a sample size of 1,433 patients who reported a reduction in severe symptoms in mild to moderate cases.
30% ये हॉस्पिटलाइजेशन कम कर सकता है, लेकिन सेफ्टी प्रोफाइल को देखते हुए इसका बहुत कम एक स्मॉल ग्रुप ऑफ पेशेंट्स में ही इंडिकेशन है। इसीलिए हम लोग डॉक्टर्स आज की डेट में मोलनुपिराविर को बहुत कम ग्रुप ऑफ पेशेंट्स में दे रहे हैं।
And yet doctors are prescribing it and patients are purchasing from pharmacies. The company issued a statement that read, and I quote, "We are confident in the clinical profile Molnupiravir, which demonstrated a significant reduction in risk of hospitalization or death in our phase 3 clinical trial with no observed safety concerns when compared to the placebo group," unquote.
We have been witnessing how the sales of this particular tablet have increased in the market after doctors have started prescribing it as a curative treatment for COVID-19 as number of cases are increasing. But the health regulatory authorities like ICMR have said that Molnupiravir can be dangerous in many people. It can cause many complications as well, and it can have problems in conception. Those people who will be consuming these tablets should use contraception for at least 3 months, because if conceived, the child could have certain complications. And these are the reasons why this particular drug is still not part of the national clinical protocol of the country yet, where medicines like Remdesivir, Ivermectin and Fabiflu were once part, but these are still not part of the national protocol. Yet doctors have been prescribing them and people have been coming to pharmacies to buy these medicines. That is the big question. With Pradeep Gupta in New Delhi, Milan Sharma for India Today.